Hi, I'm Gloria Pierson, and I'm a certified life coach. So this is day 17 of a happier, more attractive you in 21 days. And today we're going to give some tips on how to change your appearance. I'm going to go over 5 different ways. Now, my videos are here to inspire you and help you create the life that you want and that you deserve. So if you enjoy them, please consider hitting that subscribe button. But let's go ahead and get started. So this video, day 17, is on changing your physical appearance. And it's enhancing it, and maybe if you want to change it, and I'm going to go over 5 different ways. Now, everything begins with a thought. As I've said in my other videos, it starts with a thought, and then it manifests on the physical plane. So it's the same with our appearance. Have you ever been around somebody and they walk in a room and they may not be the most beautiful, most attractive person, but they have this aura about them that they are beautiful? Well, that all comes from within. And likewise, you may see sometimes some older person that has scowls on their face and they look unhappy, and somebody of the same age has a more youthful appearance. Again, it all starts in the mind and with our thoughts. So the 5 different ways, the first one is getting in touch with your inner self. And in these 21 days, I've gone over a lot of that type of thing. It's getting in touch with your I am presence, because that's where everything starts. And if you just spend a few minutes every day getting in touch, white light, in touch with your soul, in touch with your I am presence, and that is aligned with God and with Source. In a few months, you'll see a big difference. The second are affirmations. Look in the mirror and say, I love you. And when you say it, do you feel authentic or do you feel like you're lying? I want you to say it to yourself until you really feel it. I love you. Another affirmation that I'm going to give you is fantastic to say, and you could write this down, you could put it on a post-it note, say it in the morning, say it before you go to bed at night, very powerful. My body is perfect in form and beautiful. My hair, eyes, and every part of me glows with the light of inner activity. My body is perfect in form and beautiful. My hair, eyes, and every part of me glows with the light of my inner activity. And that's why 1 is so important, getting in touch with your inner self, because that is what's going to glow. Now, if you have any problems with some affirmations, write to me in the comments and I'll help you with them. The 4th is smile. When you smile, you're changing your energy, you're raising your vibration, and that goes to a cellular level. So just try and smile more. Write little notes to yourself if you have to. That's 4. And the 5th is visualization. We've done some visualization already in this 21 days, and actually the 21st day I'm going to do a guided visualization for you. So visualize. Not sure how to do it, look at some of the other videos, but spend some time in quiet visualizing how you want to look. Maybe you want to lose weight. Visualize how you see your body. Now, you're still going to have to diet, but the visualization will help, because again, that is at a cellular level. If you want to change some part of you, visualize how you would like it, how you'd like to look. Maybe thicker hair, thinner. Visualize the end result, and we went into those end result visualization. So spend some time visualizing you happy, glowing, and how your life would look like. Now, if you enjoy my videos, hit that subscribe button, and remember, sharing is caring. But I'll see you tomorrow for day 18.